Hello, welcome back. Today I will make a video in regard of tax. Tax tax is a purpose of building blockchain for EVM DF to access the Telegram ecosystem, which has the 1 billion base users. So to be a tech align, it has a uh relevant updates. I mean relevant types. So to start a tech build align, you need to it has a true magnitude, which is true relevance method that you have to participate it. We have total the curve, where you can provide a alpha, and then we have a social. So let's break it down. So let's show you together. So as you can see, like here is the app.total.club, where you can provide LV for the tag build. Providing LV in app.total.club, it's a maintain that will give you an access to participate in the tag build future airdrop. So let's connect our wallet so that we should be fully prepared for the tag build future airdrop. So let's send a message. Let's click on confirm. So to provide the alpha for the total for the tag build, in the total up to total cloth. So we have a different alpha that you can provide. So when you click on this one, manage. So to participate in tag builds in the total app, you have to click on this icon, which is click at opposite after total that can fence. So so we have a different type of providing LP that we can use. We have a feature vault which we can provide a tag BTC. So and then we have a tag USD. We have tag ETH. So all you need to do, like if you prefer to deposit uh tag a tag wheels LP. So all this one will have it is like a relevant option that you can provide a LP for the tag pool. So a part of this providing LP liquidity. So let's get back into the social, like where you can have the chance to get the features airdrop for the total for the tag do, like in the social, which you can first and content which related to tag build and tag a tag build, or first like a dollar sign dot tag, where you can get rewarded by sharing or posting. So let's get back into our X account so that I can show you like what do you need to be gathered to be fully eligible for the tag build social. So here is the campaign. Tag Fields campaign pickup now. Up to 3% tag is set for the most vocal active tag post members, powered by Kaito AI. So in fact, tag build didn't have any or related to a website or any vocals like in the Kaito. So but Kaito, it is the main base that can impact you to the impression. Like it is the main like a website that will track all your posts that you have made it on your edge. So here is how it is. It tag it. Let's break it down. So TAC is for builders, creators, and believers of Tom blockchain. TAC education campaign reward those real value on X, Discord, and the winners. So I getting a role in Discord. It is like it gonna increase your airdrop whenever they are going to calculating the airdrop. And then users that have been getting like an early role on on Discord, you have to get a multipliers on airdrop is live. So your attack field allocation, your attack Kaito score Discord multiplier. Let's break it down. Uh, First, to attack Kaito. Kaito rates your attack alignment by tracking your contents on X. High quality contribution, including smart engagement, authenticating engagement are not civil. So if it is civil engagement, it will not going to count it in. So let's scroll down again. So tag Kaito score is your base score. Discord multiplies tag on top of the final way. Highly Discord members XX boost or at what I've said to what I've told you. Like if you get the highly Discord role, so we have to get multipliers when they are given the airdrop. Multiplies by stackable with the high tier reserve for tag ambassadors. Top community members will be hand-fact as tag ambassadors. So more dropping tomorrow are not so. So they have been revealed. So here is the most important that you need to be look at. So first, if you want to be a SocialFI for tag build, we have to uh, follow the tag build, and then the second one, you have to join the Discord where you can link your X account and do the needful to be fully eligible. Claim tag align role in the tag field category. So you have to go and claim your tag align role in the tag align for the Discord. So here is when you are being completed these three criteria, so you are good to go to start posting on X so that they are going to calculate your airdrop. And then uh, when you accumulated this and this without being signed up with the Kaito, so still you need to go and sign up for the Kaito, because if you didn't sign up with the Kaito, so all you need to do, you are doing rubbish. Then they are not going to give you the airdrop since you didn't get the you didn't follow the full criteria. First, you need to be signed up with the Kaito AI, and then second, you have to follow tag bill. Third, you have to join the Discord role, and then fourth, you have to get the tag aligned. When you fulfill these four criteria, you are good to go. All you need to do is just starting the first with tag bill in your S account. So let's go and show you what you need to do. So let's click on this Discord, because I've already followed the let's accept the tag bill. So as you can see, I have successfully joined the tag build Discord. So all you need to do to claim your tag align role, you have to come on this site, which is tag align. Then click on it. You have to here is what they said. Tag align. In order to be eligible for the tag align field campaign, please ensure you do the following. Number one, follow the tag build, like post. Click on authenticate and link your Discord and X account. Click first on X button, submit the link below and get the tag role aligned. So when you have followed these all criteria that have been met, so you are good to go to start posting on your X so that they are going to count your airdrop. So let's show you something. So to get in a role in this tag goal is not like something hard. So because like as you can see, like I have joined in right now, but I get the tag drive role. So here is how you are going to doing it, and keep doing it so that the role you are going to getting them like one by one. So here it is. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.